ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ke jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, hinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Na banta ke jingkuli ka jingsio ka baret but hila ban legu ban kuli da ka education loan. Hila ru ban syukola ho number kandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani kandai pran riu laisan, ar riu be kandai pra.
Indan Cebi ba?
Mana babat Cebi?
Labat sa Mairang.
Mairang
beri babat.
Indan beliau.
Kadon lihat kadon kai.
Lihat bet nama ngalah. Kadon lihat. Iwan nek kemar kadon ni.
Lihat bet.
Di ladat Cebi ai ngidan power ban.
Indan Cebi itu.
Lihat bet ni habis.
Lagi kena badan beliau.
Indan ha.
Kamar kadon. Kamar kadon.
Belum sibuk situ saja dah. Kamu yang spesial kemana sibuk situ.
Hak jingyai beteng ban lek khandrai ke bedik yat be an hakit hain Sohïong katran Excise kala yo Kurup sa chispa khatlai Synduk ka kiat Phareng bat ka bia yakini ke kiat la yo ban Kurup na ka we ka sem ka badan chalender jong ka wine store ka balatip kerteng kum ko wellam ka wine store ka badan harut jong ka surok ba ki kiat ki bala yo Kurup na ka ni ka jaka ki kentup ya san khandai Synduk ki Kingfisher bia khat khandai Synduk ki bia Budweiser Magnum lai Synduk ki bia Budweiser Premium pra Synduk ka kiat Royal Stag but arpsau Synduk ka kiat Officer Choice Blue.
Hello.
Ini piye? Kerabanan.
there was a seizure of liquor at 2 p.m. The team from the Excise office of the District Election Officer and the Excise branch and the Excise department, they had seized about 1,104 liters of liquor. So this is a fairly large seizure, even if you like given the context of even one constituency, it's a fairly large seizure. In terms of monetary value, it is about 4 lakhs. So with this seizure, which is huge, with this huge seizure that was made today, together with the previous seizures, we had 346.970. So together with this, total cumulative seizure so far is 1,450.97 liters. So, but today's seizure on poll day was quite substantial. In fact, 2 vehicles had to. The liquor that was seized filled 2 vehicles.